Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing Ethereum, looking at the latest news and doing some technical analysis. The first thing to mention is the current date, July 14th, 2025. News is very positive, with Ethereum breaking $3,000 due to ETF inflows and institutional interest. Reports indicate BlackRock's Ethereum ETF holdings are exceeding 2 million ETH. Let's see how that looks on the charts. Taking a look at the one-day chart, we see a notable uptrend that began in late May 2024, culminating in a recent consolidation phase near the $3,000 level, now broken. This upward movement correlates with news of growing institutional adoption and ETF inflows, which have pushed the price to almost $3,500. The price then consolidates and fails to stay above this previous high of $3,500. Let's narrow down on some key support and resistance levels. Key support levels appear around $3,100 and then around the $2,800 mark. Resistance is seen around the $3,500 level, as indicated by the recent failures to stay above this level. A break above this resistance could signal further bullish momentum, potentially targeting $3,800, correlating with analyst predictions from Brave New Coin. Failure to hold $3,100 could trigger a bearish move towards $2,800. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart for a more granular view of recent price action. We're now switching to the one-hour chart. On the one-hour time frame, the recent price action shows a volatile trading pattern, with Ethereum exhibiting short-term rallies and pullbacks. Significant ETF inflows over the past 30 days, approximately 725,000 ETH, appear to have provided some support, preventing a more severe downturn. The trend seems upward. Let's narrow down on the important sections. Immediate resistance lies around $3,275, while support is forming near the $3,164 mark. If we correlate recent news, SharpLink Gaming's acquisition of ETH and leveraged long positions by major investors could contribute to sustained support around these levels. Bearish scenarios could arise if Ethereum fails to hold above $3,164, potentially leading to a test of lower support around the $3,000 level. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Here, we can see very short-term trading signals. Ethereum is currently experiencing intraday volatility. Look for breakouts above $3,275 on the one-hour chart to further confirm potential for a short-term long play, or wait for ETH to fail support on the one-day chart to short. Key price levels to watch are $3,500, $3,100, and $2,800 for long-term, and $3,275 and $3,164 for shorter term. There's also the possibility of the Pectra upgrade, expected Q4 2025, which is something to consider for the long term. For now, monitor these levels closely and adjust your strategy based on new information and market behavior. Happy trading!